Robust AI server demand, transformative data center partnerships, and a technically compelling bull case, or rather compelling base formation, drive the bull thesis on SMCI. Even though, of course, there are exporter headwinds and options market friction, all of these are keeping the debate alive as it concerns the stock. The $40 and beyond, the growth revenue argument. Bullish investors have coalesced around a clear thesis. SMCI is not merely a beneficiary of the AI infrastructure buildout, it is one of the most essential architects. With revenue growth consistently outpacing sector peers, the company's order book reflects the relentless appetite of hyperscalers, cloud providers, and enterprise AI adopters for high density, power efficient server systems. At the core of this optimism is a conviction that current price levels dramatically undervalue the company's forward earnings trajectory. Bulls argue that the stock's suppression is a temporary dislocation, a product of macro headwinds and manufactured volatility rather than a reflection of any fundamental deterioration in the business. Okay, you can always pause and have a read. You find this link in the description box below and read and digest what's going on. The stock is currently trending. This is Friday, the 6th of March 2026. Pre-market session, yes, but still we are still dealing with the data of yesterday, the fifth post-market session. Okay, so the stock is consolidating within a longer-term bearish trend. Yes, unfortunately, the stock is now bearish. Before now, it was bullish. It's now bearish. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's see, is it going to come up? Yes, it's going to come up. Yeah, it's consolidating within a longer-term bearish trend, and unfortunately, okay, well, for today, I think we have it is currently up slightly in this pre-market session. Yesterday it was down 1.26%. For today, the 6th of March, it's expected to remain okay, just maybe just sideways movement today, I think, or just maybe slightly up today. But after that, from Monday the 9th, it's expected to go into a downtrend. Yes, and in terms of projections, yeah, there's danger here. There's danger here. Look at this downward projection here of 26.86. 26.86. It was initiated on the 12th of February. There is a danger. There's a danger that this might print. There's a danger that this might print. There's a danger that this might print. And we can even see the algos projecting lower prices. So we are seeing a cluster. Yeah, we're seeing some value, some yeah, some yeah, if you like, the algo seems to be validating this downward projection, especially given going by this downward projection we have here printing out, going all the way towards the 14th of April. But outside that, there are also the upper projections. We have let's see what we have. We have 24.2. Okay, beginning from I'm listing all the projections. We have 24.81, 26.13, 28.27. 35.65 is an upper projection, 38.06, 39.54. Okay, in the midst of all of that, there are also upper projections. Okay, so let's see now. This is the 10-day moving average. Let's see what is happening, how it's performing. It is still okay, just maintaining, just neutral, gaining roughly 3 cents every day, just neutral. But momentum is expected to begin to weekend from Tuesday the 10th of March. Okay, what we can do is just quickly see whether this extrapolation here, whether we have an alignment on its, whether it aligns with what we have on the weekly chart. Let's see. Yes, pretty much. It's There's an alignment going all the way towards the 6th of April. We have an alignment here. Yeah. So all the way towards the 13th of April, we have an alignment. Let's see. 13th of April. Yeah, that's what we have. Yes, that's exactly what we have. Exactly what we have. Yeah, there's a danger that this may well happen. $27, 26.86. Yeah, very dicey. Very, very dicey. Okay, what we can equally do is go back to the weekly chart to see how the moving averages are aligning. So this is the weekly chart. This is the 10-week moving average. This 10-week moving average is gain. Let's see what it's doing. It is gaining 50 positive, gaining trending robustly. That moving average is gaining 50 cents every day, trending very well. But let's see now. Well, let's have a look and see what the other moving averages, how they all align. On this weekly chart, the stock is it's consolidating as well. It's consolidating as well. Let's see. There's a chance we may not find an alignment. The moving averages may not align. They may not align, but we'll see. Let's apply the 10 and 21 week moving averages and see how they compare. Whether we have an alignment in them. Let's see. Let's see what we have. Okay, let's see to some extent. Yeah, we have some alignment between the 10 and 21 period moving averages. What are the odds that the other moving averages will align? Okay, so in the short and intermediate moving averages, they are in agreement, they are in unison, but we can't exactly say whether the medium and the longer term will agree with them. Let's see what we have on this one, the 40 week and the 200 week. We want to see if they all align, then that's a positive. That's it's well, it wouldn't be a positive because we are looking at yeah, it's not yeah, okay, it's a positive if they don't align. Okay, I think these align as well. We have an alignment. I think it seems to have an alignment. So yeah, is that what we saw? I've totally forgotten what we saw. But what I can clearly see here is that they are declining. The the 40 week and the 200 week moving averages, they are price pressure momentums. They are declining. So they are pointing to a declining trend. And is that what we saw on the? I've forgotten. Sorry, I have to look at it again. The 21 week and the 10 week. Yeah, if I don't have them all together, that's why I have to keep on, you know, putting them back. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, they are not aligning. So there's a chance that maybe it's a positive that they are not aligning. That means maybe we have yeah, it's just validating that we have a consolidation. So it might the direction might change. The direction might change. It may This extrapolation that is saying that um, it's saying that a bounce might actually occur. It's saying on this weekly chart that a bounce might occur. Isn't it what it's saying? It's saying that it might pivot from sometime in April. That may not be what may happen. Something else may happen completely because we have the moving averages in they're not in alignment. That means consolidation is going on. We don't have a clear direction. We don't have a clear direction. So maybe for now, between now and April, yes, this may well be what may happen. But outside that, maybe not. But in the very short term, yes, maybe some. This may well be. But going all the way towards the 14th of September, I'm not really sure because for now, the stock is still consolidating. It's not giving us a very clear signal as to what may happen. So you'll find this link in the description box below and read up, and let's see how all of this will pan out. Yes, there's that danger. There's that danger here. I think also we have this is a weekly chart. We have 21.89. We also have another a pivotal downward projection on the weekly chart as well. Here it's 21.78 on the daily chart. It is on the daily chart. It is 20. 6.86. So that's another danger. That's another danger. Well, there's also if it does, if it gets there, then there's a chance that it might also pivot as well. It's apart from the fact that it is pointing to lower prices. It's also a pivot as well. It's also it may mean that when it gets there, it may provide a buying opportunity. So it's a mix of things. Not technically it doesn't it's not there's foreboding. There's foreboding. There's danger that lower prices may still print. So uh, thank you, and have a look and see what you make of SMCI. And thank you very much for watching this video.